girl I saw on Facebook. We have been chatting. But the problem now is my phone went off and we are supposed to see today. Guys, I don't know.
Excuse me. Are you the...
Yes, exactly.
What the hell was that for?
Selling money.
So you are the keke man that ran away with my money?
Hey, auntie,
So you are the keke man that ran away with my money?
I'm not the keke man. How will you just slap someone like that, I don't even have bicycle at home now. You are telling me I have keke at home. I don't even have bicycle at home. You just want to be slapping someone.
You guys are stupid.
Yeah, will you?